Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss the balanced chemical equation, stoichiometric calculations, information provided by the balanced chemical equations. Okay, we are discussing about the balanced chemical equation, stoichiometric calculations, and information which is provided by the balanced chemical equation. Okay. Consider this example. What is the example? Twice Na plus Cl2 gives twice NaCl. Here, uh, two sodium atoms and two Cl atom. How many there are total atoms? There are four Cl atoms. And in this product, how many atoms? Here twice NaCl, that is the 2 Na and 2 Cl. So here also 4 atoms. Products have the 4 atoms and the reactants have 2 plus 2, total 4 atoms. That is the both reactant and product have the equal number of atoms. So this is called balanced chemical equation. If the number of atoms of element of reactant, this is the reactant, okay, this is the product, equal, then the equation is called balanced chemical equation. Okay. Now second term is the stoichiometry. Study of quantitative relationship between the amount of reactant and product is called stoichiometry. That is the stoichiometry is the study of relationship, quantitative relationship between the amount of products, amount of reactants are called stoichiometry. Okay. And next concept is the next point is the stoichiometrical calculation. That is the calculation based on the balanced chemical equation. Calculation based on balanced chemical equation to calculate the amount of reactants and products are called stoichiometric equations. These calculations based on the balanced chemical equations to calculate the amount of reactants and products are called stoichiometric calculation. That is the what amount of reactants, what amount of products are present in the balanced chemical equations, and when we calculate these amount of reactants and products, that calculations are called stoichiometric calculations. Consider now next point, information provided by the balanced chemical equations. Balanced chemical equation provide the more information about the reactions. Okay, these informations we are discussing in the next video. Okay, so I can again revise. If the number of what is the balanced chemical equation? If the number of atoms of element of reactant and products are equal, then the equation is called balanced chemical equation. In short, when the number of atoms of reactant and number of atoms of product are equal in the both side of the equations, also called balanced chemical equations. What is the equations? Chemical equations, symbolic representations of the reactions with the formulae are called chemical equations. So, and what is the balanced chemical equation? When the number of atoms of elements of reactant is equal to number of atoms of product, then equations is called balanced chemical equations. Okay. And next point, stoichiometry, the study of relationship between the amount of reactant and product is called stoichiometry. And next point, stoichiometric calculation based on the stoichiometric balanced chemical equations to find out, to calculate the amount of reactant and amount of products are called stoichiometric calculations. And information, next point is information provided by the balanced chemical equation. The balanced chemical equation provide the more informations about the chemical equation, and this point we will discuss in the next video. Okay.